Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I'm coming to you all today. Today, I'm going to show you how I make and create these beautiful babies right here. This is a little technique that I'm going to show you how to do pretty much. And the items and tools that you're going to need, all you're going to need is some wood pieces and some colored pencils. Okay, colored pencils and a paper towel. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so this is basically pretty much what you are going to have. This is what it is going to look like. So my next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to color this in where you see the space, all those spaces and all that stuff in between. Now I'm going to take a brown. This is brown. And I'm going to take this and color all of that in. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, y'all, so basically this is what you are going to have. Okay, so the very last thing that you want to do for this here project is you want to take a paper towel, and we're going to pretty much smear. We're going to smear our colors. Okay, we're going to smear them, pretty much smear them together, and you're going to see a different result. So here we go. You can start on either end. It really doesn't matter. And all you want to do is do this right here. And I know you can already see it. And that's it. That's all you do. And you can do this however, whenever you would like to. And you can use these for pretty much anything. You can use these for make earrings with. That's if you want to. If you want to, you can also use some Mod Podge. You can put some Mod Podge on it to give it. This one has Mod Podge on it. This was one of the very first ones that I did, and this does have Mod Podge on it. Okay. And I did not do anything to the back because these are just my pieces, that my replicas, you know, my prototype pieces. So I just wanted to come to you all just to show you this little something new that I decided to start doing. And like I said, you can do it with any type of wood, any shapes of wood. You have to be careful with what kind of wood, because some of the wood don't take, some of the wood that I try to use this on it doesn't work well. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can find that piece that I have. It doesn't, the real big round wood pieces, bigger than this, the 3x3s, doesn't take this type of technique well at all, okay? But these I got from, I think, Dollar General. Dollar General sell these, and you can just do so much with them. You can make so many different types of things too, and this is a technique. It's different, and like I said, you can, the sky is the limit, y'all. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for this here quick video. This is something that I just wanted to show y'all how to do. All right. So with that being said, until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.